What up, peeps? Like, I don't know what to do.
Who says peeps?
Welcome back to another episode of I'm very self-conscious in front of my girlfriend trying to vlog. In today's episode, we're going to be doing the WanderBabe pose challenge using my girlfriend who's unwillingly doing this but wants to support me and loves me. So what I'm going to be doing is I took 10 photos I found of Instagram from WanderBabes. I wrote down their pose, very poorly named. I'm going to have my girlfriend pick 1 through 10. She's going to try to do her best at modeling that, and then I'm going to put my picture next to that picture, and you decide which one's better. Thank you to Willow Fantino, Danny the Explorer, and Hey Kelsey J for letting me use your photos, even though you didn't let me, but you're much bigger than me, so that's okay. I'm not stealing them. I'm sorry. Alright.
Am I supposed to like...
So these are the names. You can see them, probably not. Kind of see them. So now you're gonna pick, you're gonna pick 1 through 10, and I'm gonna tell you which pose name you're gonna do, and then I'm gonna put it up next to it. Does that make any sense?
Like, am I supposed to like be trying to...
You're gonna try to figure out why I horribly named these.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead, pick 1 through 10.
7.
7. I'm not coming back.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Wait, let me... Alright, we're gonna...
Alright, but where do you want me to go? Do you want me to go facing the sun, away from the sun?
I want
Where do you
you...
want me to go?
Preferably right where our cow is.
Oh, this is my... I'm never coming back.
That's what you're going with?
Yeah.
Alright, let me take the photo. Alright, so that was the first one. I showed you the picture. What would you grade yourself?
Like a 2.
Like a 2 out of 5?
Out of 10.
Oh, well, it's a 1 out of 5, so I mean that makes it a little better. Okay, so 7's off the board. Which one do you want now?
3.
My ear. I had more fun naming these than I did actually looking at the... No offense. Please follow me. Alright, what does my ear look like? What does the pose my ear look like? Does it look like that?
Yeah.
Like this. Hey, cat. Like the cutest little fucking dog ever. Alright, back to you.
Oh my God,
My ear.
No. I don't know.
So I want you standing right here in front of me. Go up a little. Over to the side. One more step, half step. Boom, perfect. Up, back, half step. Boom, perfect.
Okay.
Hey, go ahead. What does my ear look like? That's your nose.
I don't know. Oh my God.
Alright, turn the other. Okay, turn towards me. This way a little bit.
Okay.
Alright, now.
Alright. We're gonna show you just my ear.
Oh, okay.
That's it. It's my ear.
That's your ear. Alright, so that was your ear. This is the actual one. What'd you think?
That's what you came up with?
Yeah. Oh, our cow's running away currently. Are we gonna stop our cow?
No.
Okay. Alright. The book. Alright, so 7 and 3 are off the table. Which one's next?
Let's do 1 since that's what I would give myself for the last photo.
Finger think.
Finger think?
Finger think. Alright.
Do I have to go to my same spot?
Let's change it up. Let's go direct sunlight. Go. You can stay right over there. You have some trees in the nice background.
Alright.
You want a flower to help with your finger think? You want to put it in your hair? Here's a nice purple flower to put in your hair too. While you do your finger think. I'll help you think with your finger.
Okay.
So what do you think finger think is? By the way, these were all influenced by Pabst Blue Ribbon. Sponsor me, Pabst. I could really use some more beer. I ran out. But anyway.
Can I have a hint?
Ooh. What do we think, boys? Okay, hint. Okay. Let me look at the picture and give you a hint.
You don't even know what it is.
Well, I wanna give you a hint. The hint will be stereotypical look at across from a bar when a girl is trying to be sexy. I don't know what girl's trying to be sexy with that though. When you're trying to look more thoughtful than you really are.
Okay. I don't even. I do I have to do something with this hand?
Well, I mean, it involves finger because I said finger. Think.
All right. This is. I don't. Trying to get. Alright. Nope. Alright. This is what I'm going with.
Alright. Okay, let me grab the picture. Alright, cool. That was interesting. So this was Finger Think from Willow Fantino.
I was so close.
You were.
I was so close.
That was a solid better one than all of the other ones. All right. Let's pick another number. So 1, 3, and 7. You just saying you should definitely pick 6.
All right, 6.
All right. Let's go to the I'll let you think of your pose, but for the photo, we're gonna go over to those trumpet lilies over there.
All right.
Because they look good. It's called number 6, crumbs pose.
Excuse me?
Crumbs pose.
Like crumbs, like food crumbs.
I'm gonna let you mull that one over.
Is that a yes to like food crumbs?
That's a yes and a no all at the same time. All right, so show me your thought process because we still have a cow on leash that we have to take over to.
All right. I feel like crumbs is on like the ground.
Oh, okay.
So I feel like I have to like crouch.
Okay.
Somehow.
All right. All right.
All right.
Ooh.
What?
She's on the ground, boys. Is this it?
Yeah, this is it.
So this one was probably my favorite name. Can you grab the nugget? Also, just an FYI, her name is Tegan. This is Tegan. I have a whole video about her. Her nicknames involve the cow, nugget, Tegan, nugget,
7.
cow, everything like that. Okay, that's just an FYI. Okay, so let's go back to the book. So this was Crumbs pose. So I'm guessing that you never watched the show Real Monsters.
I knew it wasn't about actual crumbs on the ground.
So Real Monsters, I can put this up in the video. I don't have to show this, but anyway, there was a character there named Crumbs, Krumms, and he held his eyeballs in his hands, therefore Crumbs pose. So how'd you feel about Crumbs pose?
Not great. Not great.
So let's do one last one out of the 10. The book. All right, one last one, and I'll stop annoying you, and we can go eat dinner. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Right?
I feel like that was all wrong.
No, you have 2, 4.
1, 3.
No, you already picked. You picked 1, 3, 6, and 7.
Right.
So you have 10, 9, 8, 5, 2.
8.
Thank you. So you're number 8, which is left the oven on. Last pose is left the oven on. Do you need a hint?
Take it off.
No?
Unless you want to give me a hint.
The hint is it's a headshot.
Ugh. I know what it is.
What?
I feel like it's gonna look stupid.
Alright, so what's your thought process?
I feel like it's just me being like, oh shit.
Alright, so let's take the photo. You ready?
Alright. I
Alright.
don't know what to do with this.
I just
flower.
gave it to you because it looked pretty. Thank you. You're welcome. You can't be negative about yourself because you're on video.
Alright.
Alright, so let's see it.
Don't want to do it.
Do it.
I don't wanna.
It's your last one. Peer pressure. This is what your parents told you not to let happen. That's what your parents also told you not to let happen. But we let it happen.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, I left the oven on. So that was it. That was your last one. How do you feel about that one?
Did not enjoy it.
You didn't enjoy it? How do you feel about it? Do you think you did a good job?
No.
No?
No.
So I think we actually touched on all three of these Instagrammers because, yep, so this is, oh shit, I left the oven on.
I feel like that one's like I've seen a ghost.
Oh, that would have been a better name.
That would have been a good one.
Damn you, PBR. Damn you.
Cause like that's not like if I left the oven on, if I left like Tegan at the house, it'd be like more expressionful.
Thank you, girlfriend.
You're welcome.
So thank you again for watching. Thank you to at Danny the Explorer, at Willow Fontino, sorry for pronouncing your name wrong, and at Hey Kelsey J. Maybe I'll do a part 2 where I make her do the other poses if she ever wants to do this again. Probably not. She hated this. Maybe I'll make my dog do it next time. Dogs get good likes on Instagram. All right. See you next week, next Monday. Bye.